Alright, we're here testing the inverter capabilities of a new Wallke battery. We have an iPad to charge, we have a phone to charge. Also going to be testing out a soldering iron, a Dremel, and an old key cutting machine. I'm going to try them individually, and then I'm going to try them all together. So let's see. Let's get right into this. I'm sure you're all wondering if the key machine will work, and that's what I'm most concerned about. So let's see. Alright, I've got all the power cables pretty much ran, so I can plug it in easily. Like I said, we're going to try one at a time, and then we're going to try all three of them at the same time. So first thing we do is we gotta sneak under here and get to that AC button. Now in this video, I'm leaving the bike on. The bike right now is on. I'm going to show you I can charge my phone later while I run this stuff. So first, we're going to check the key machine. I was already on. Alright. So, as you can see, it is working. We're at 170 out. That's not too bad. I don't have a key to copy right now. I don't have a key blank. Now, it's plugged in, but it's off. This is the soldering iron. Let's see how we turn this on. Just pull the trigger. Yeah. This is coming on. Oh, you can smell it. Oh yeah. You can smell it, you can hear it. Alright. We're using the soldering iron, 180 watt. The light is on, so it's working. And we got saying it's at 75 watts right now out. We're going to hold this for a little bit. See, the power increases. What happens? I don't have anything to hold it. You can see the colors changing on the tip though. Yeah, I see that. Okay, so you can use 180 watt soldering iron. If you have any electrical issues on the bike, on the trail, or whatever you need it for. Yeah, so it's all still 75. Okay, so we're going to leave that. Now we're going to plug in the Dremel. Alright. Let's see if the power changes. There's 62. Crank it up. There we go, all the way up. Pulls about 90. Turn it down a little bit. We're going to see if we can run all three at once without breaking anything. Right. Turn the key machine on. Okay. Running all three items at once. Let's see what kind of power that is. Now we're pulling 320 watts. Running all three items. And like I said, charge our phone at the same time. charging. Okay, because the bike's on while I'm running all this. And I got a clear spot. Okay, I'm gonna show you. We're going to charge the iPad. Okay, I'm charging my phone. Charging my iPad. My phone, iPad. Sorry, no. Still running the machine. Yeah, sorry. I'm charging my phone. iPad. You want the soldering now? No. We're doing now. Soldering stuff and turning keys. So you're just moving. And turn the hot spot on. And then you can just sit here. You can watch all kinds of stuff. But yeah, you get the idea. Oh, and one more thing to charge, that's right. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. So you gotta touch the anchor cable and charge it. Charge. Okay, so everything is charging. And we're watching Spider-Man. And we're soldering. And we're cutting keys. What do you know about all that?